Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to one of the most important steps in your trading journey, demo trading, also known as paper trading. Best of all, it's completely free and requires no credit card. This is where knowledge turns into real skill. If you've been following this channel for a while, you've probably already built a solid foundation. You've learned how to read candlestick charts, understand technical indicators, identify trends, and analyze market behavior. That's a huge achievement. But learning trading concepts is only the first step. The real progress begins when you start applying that knowledge in a live market environment without risking real money. This is exactly where demo or paper trading comes in. Demo trading allows you to trade real market data using virtual funds. The prices move exactly as they do in live markets, but your capital is simulated. This gives you a safe, controlled environment to practice, experiment, make mistakes, and learn without financial stress or emotional pressure. For beginners, demo trading is essential. It bridges the gap between theory and execution. Reading about trading and watching videos is valuable, but trading itself is a skill that must be practiced. Just like learning to drive a car or fly a plane, you wouldn't start with real-world risk on day one. Demo trading gives you that training ground. One of the first skills you will develop through demo trading is trade execution. You'll learn how to enter and exit trades properly, how to place buy and sell orders, and how timing affects your results. Many traders underestimate execution, but even a good strategy can fail if orders are placed incorrectly. Demo trading allows you to practice this repeatedly until it becomes second nature. You will also gain a clear understanding of the different types of orders. Market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and take profit levels all behave differently. Demo trading helps you see exactly how these orders work in real-time market conditions. You'll learn when to use each type and how they protect your capital or improve your entries. Another major benefit of demo trading is learning how to use technical indicators effectively. Indicators such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, volume, and momentum indicators can look simple on a chart, but using them correctly requires experience. Demo trading lets you test indicators, combine them, and understand their strengths and weaknesses without fear of loss. Reading and interpreting candlestick charts becomes much easier with practice. In demo trading, you will start to recognize common candlestick patterns, understand price behavior, and see how buyers and sellers interact at key levels. Over time, you'll develop the ability to read price action rather than relying blindly on indicators. You will also learn how to identify and follow trends. Trend recognition is one of the most important skills in trading. Through demo trading, you'll practice spotting uptrends, downtrends, and sideways markets. You'll learn when to trade with the trend and when to stay out of the market. Closely related to this is the skill of drawing trend lines correctly. Trend lines help you visualize market structure, entries, exits, and potential reversals. Demo trading gives you unlimited opportunities to draw, adjust, and refine trend lines while observing how price reacts to them over time. Another critical skill you will develop is understanding support and resistance. These levels represent areas where price often reacts, pauses, or reverses. Demo trading helps you identify these zones, test breakout and bounce strategies, and see how market psychology plays out around key price levels. You will also improve your ability to read momentum. Momentum tells you the strength behind a price move. Through demo trading, you'll learn how momentum shifts during trends, pullbacks, and reversals. This skill is vital for timing entries and exits more effectively. Beyond technical skills, demo trading also helps build discipline and consistency. You'll practice following a trading plan, managing risk, and controlling impulsive decisions. Many traders fail not because of poor strategies, but because of poor discipline. Demo trading allows you to develop good habits before real money is involved. In summary, demo or paper trading is not optional. It is a crucial stage in becoming a successful trader. It allows you to practice execution, understand order types, master indicators, read charts, identify trends, draw trend lines, recognize support and resistance, and interpret momentum, all in a risk-free environment. If you're serious about trading, don't rush into live markets. Take the time to practice, refine your skills, and build confidence through demo trading. When you eventually move to real money, you'll be prepared, disciplined, and far more likely to succeed. Let's get started. How to access demo or paper trading. There are many platforms available today that offer demo or paper trading, such as TradingView, NinjaTrader, Interactive Brokers, and others. These platforms are popular and widely used, but there is one common drawback. Most of them require you to create an account and provide personal details, including credit card information, just to access their demo features. For many beginners, this can be unnecessary, inconvenient, or uncomfortable. For this reason, we are not going to take that route. Instead, I'm going to show you a simple and completely free way to access demo trading without providing any credit card details. We'll do this by using a CFD broker that offers unrestricted demo accounts, allowing you to practice trading in real market conditions with virtual funds. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the process of registering a demo account with TegasFX. The registration is quick, straightforward, and does not require any payment information. Once the demo account is set up, I'll show you how to use the MetaTrader 5 MT5 web terminal trading platform. By the end of this demonstration, you'll have a fully functional demo trading environment where you can practice executing trades, testing strategies, and building confidence without risking real money. How to use MT5 web terminal to execute trades. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the MT5 platform to execute trades effectively. We'll start by creating a market watch list, then move on to customizing candlestick charts to make them clear, simple, and easy to read. I'll also show you how to add and use essential indicators such as simple moving averages, SMA, volume, and the stochastic oscillator. These tools will help you better understand market direction, momentum, and potential trade opportunities. All demonstrations in this video will focus on US 100, Nasdaq/NQ. I've chosen Nasdaq because it is one of the most popular and highly liquid markets to trade. High liquidity means smoother price movement, tighter spreads, and more reliable technical analysis. For beginners, I strongly recommend focusing on one market only until you become very familiar with its behavior and characteristics. Nasdaq is especially popular among retail traders and is widely traded in the futures trading arena. Personally, I am a futures trader and trade Nasdaq exclusively. In fact, the majority of proprietary firm traders also focus on Nasdaq due to its consistency, volatility, and clear technical structure. For beginners, I recommend trading during the European session or London session. During these hours, market movement is generally slower and more controlled compared to the New York session, which can be much faster and more volatile. Starting with calmer market conditions makes it easier to practice execution, build confidence, and avoid unnecessary mistakes. Once you are comfortable with the platform and your execution skills improve, you can gradually explore more active sessions. Let's heading to TegasFX website and create a new demo account. Click on Get Started button. Select Individual and fill out your details, then click Create Account. Once account created, next step is to log in. Click on Sign In. Enter your email and password, then click on Sign In. Click on Open Demo Account to create a new demo account. Select account type. Click on MT5 ECN/SDP Pro plus Hedging Demo. Select Leverage and your currency, then Initial Balance. I recommended select 50,000 to be realistic. Then click Continue. Click Continue again to confirm. You now have a new demo account to practice your trade. You will need to use client login and password to access MT5 WebTrader. Click on Account Overview to see the list of your demo account. Next step, I'm going to show you how to access MT5 WebTrader. Click on Downloads, then click Access MT5 WebTrader. Connect to account. Enter your login and password you received in your email. Click on Connect to Account to open MT5 WebTrader. Here is the MT5 WebTrader screen. Next step is to add US 100 or Nasdaq to Market Watch list. Click on Search symbol text box, then type US 100 in the search box. Then click on plus symbol to add it to watch list. Click close search box to return to watch list screen. US 100 has been added to your watch list. You can now select it to open candlestick chart, and it's ready for you to practice your trade. Before you execute any trade, you need to pick your time frame. You can choose from 1 minute M1, 5 minutes M5, or 15 minutes M15. I usually trade on 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. You can change theme by click on menu button, then select dark theme. Now you have dark theme. Next, we're going to add indicators to the chart. Click indicators icon, then click trend and select moving average. Increase period from 10 to 20 and increase line style from 1 to 2. Then click add indicator. Here you have moving average indicator. Next, we're going to add stochastic oscillator to the chart. Repeat previous step, adding indicators. Select oscillators tab, then select stochastic oscillator. Click add indicator. Next, we're going to add trading panel to place an order. Click new order to open trading form. In this form, you can increase or decrease volume to trade. You can also select what type of your order, such as market execution, buy limit, sell limit. Final step, how to add funds. Let's be honest, your demo balance is going to get absolutely nuked in a few days or weeks. That's not a maybe, that's a 100% guarantee. So next, I'll show you the painless way to top up your balance without the drama of creating yet another brand new demo account. Because we both know this won't be the last time. Let's open up TegasFX website to log in, then click Sign In. Once you are in client area, click Account Overview to see the list of your demo account you have. Click on View to open up account details. Then click Add Demo Funds to open up a list of funds. Choose your preferred amount from the list and click Submit. That's it, simple. But before you add funds, pause for a moment and be intentional. Trade with realism and discipline, not emotion. This is where strong traders are built. Focus on developing discipline and winning habits, not on the size of the balance. Master the process first and the money will follow. That's the real secret to long-term success in trading. The balance of your demo account should increase to the amount you want. At this stage, you should have a solid foundation and be ready to apply your knowledge in live market conditions without risking personal capital. Spend additional time familiarizing yourself with the MT5 WebTrader platform, including tools such as trend lines, support and resistance levels, and multi-time frame analysis. When you are confident in the strategies taught on this channel and decide to pursue trading seriously, I recommend trading through futures proprietary firms so you can avoid using your own money. Do not trade personal capital with CFD brokers. Patience and discipline are essential. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to get started as a futures prop firm trader, step by step. We'll cover how to choose a prop firm, sign up for the evaluation, and trade using platforms like Tradivate. Until then, happy trading.